In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Incognito Mode on Perplexity AI for private chat. Simple and easy. So just like it goes on Google Chrome, Incognito Mode, you're not going to save the chat. So it's simple and easy. After chatting, you're not going to find it in your history. So to do that, you can see the arrow on your screen, top left corner of your screen. Just tap on your profile there. And now scroll to the bottom and you can see Incognito Mode, create anonymous threads that don't appear in your library and expire after 24 hours. You get it? So now let's just turn it on and we are good to go. Yeah. So for now, anything we text on here is not going to be saved on our library. This is where we find our library, I think. Yeah, you can see. So you need to turn off Incognito Mode before you can see your library here or your chat here. So that's it on how you turn on Incognito Mode for private chat on Perplexity AI app. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.